Okay, students, here, rotation. We have a rotation here. Describe. The question is, describe for a single transformation that map shape A into B. A into B. So rotation, because look at this shape. What's happened to this shape? This shape goes this way, correct? This way. So what's happened here? 90 degrees.
Clockwise.
90 degrees. Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise, correct? 90 degrees clockwise. Right. And what's the center? Done, done.
So how actually we can
Okay. By tracing paper, number one. How can we find it? By tracing paper, you try. Number one. Number two, you can't find it. Look, what's happened here when you do like anti-clockwise? What's happened here? What's happened here to x-axis becomes here, correct? And this one goes up. So the x-axis becomes y here, correct? And the y becomes x, correct? By rotation. Imagine this one moving this axis. So if you move it 90 anti-clockwise or clockwise, sorry, you move it 90 clockwise. What's happened here? The x becomes y and the y becomes x, correct? Now, little thing, find here this angle here. Okay, look, this angle here goes up the distance here, and I'll do it like this. Look, goes up what? Goes up what?
2 squares.
How many? No. How many squares goes up?
4.
4, correct? And go left what? Go left what?
2 square.
2 square. Rotate this. So if this one becomes what? On the x-axis, correct?
Yeah.
So becomes this one after rotation, 4. Correct? That's 4. When you rotate, becomes on the, we said the y-axis becomes here because what you did becomes here. Correct? After rotation. So you go here, this one, if you rotate, this one becomes here. And this one comes here. So what is the center?
0, -2.
Just rotate this, the red arrows. Rotate the red arrows from this corner, which is this corner now. Correct? Are you with me? With this corner. Goes up and left. Rotate it. This one here. Rotate it 90 clockwise. Becomes what? Becomes this one. Yes or no?
I didn't understand.
Rotate. Okay. If I ask you here, Muhammad, if I ask you here, rotate. Rotate this one here. Oh, sorry. Rotate this one here, this shape. Anti-clockwise. Rotate it 90 clockwise.
How we know the position of the arrow? Just because of clockwise and anti-clockwise?
I'll explain in different way. Look, you go and do the tracing paper. Draw this one, this shape A. Okay, and put your pen here on the center, and rotate and draw the x-axis and the y-axis, and rotate it 90 clockwise. Do you get the same shape B? Of course, you draw in the tracing paper this one here. Do you get shape B? No, because it becomes here. So you go up here 1 point, you try again. Doesn't work, you go to 2. And when you go to 2 and becomes this one after rotation, you put the pin here, put the pin here and rotate. Okay, I'll try to do a short video. I'll try to do a short video for this. I'll send it to you in the group. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
For all of you.
Thank you.
Okay, or I'll find the link on YouTube, but I'll try to do a video, short video for this one. Understand? But this one here, look, this one here, ignore everything. How to rotate this line? How to rotate this line according to this point? 90 degrees. How do you rotate it? 90 degree. Because this one here, this side here becomes this side, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Imagine this line attached to this shape. This line attached to this shape. So what's happened here? To this line becomes where? Becomes here or here? Right or left?
Right.
Right. Are you agree?
Yeah.
Good. We are okay so far. And here this one here, when you rotate, this one attached to this point, this one goes down to or goes up?
Up.
Up. So where is the center?
0, 2.
0, 2. Perfect. I think, Muhammad, you better now or not? Still confusing?
Better.
Better. Okay. Done.
But teacher, how we know that how we know how much we want to draw the arrow, like 4 cubes?
You try. You know, you have to try.
Right until they intersect
Yeah.
the both arrows.
Yes. But when you look by experience, by practicing, you know straight away because it's not complicated shapes. Yeah. Okay. Next.
Yes.
Next question. So here becomes what? Rotation of 90 clockwise, center 0, 2. Shape A into shape C. What do you think?
Reflection.
A, shape C. This one
Is
by
it
tracing
reflection?
paper.
Reflection.
Reflection, very good. Maybe you ask me, teacher, how do you know reflection? Okay. How do you know reflection? Look at the distance here. Is it the same?
Yes.
Okay. The same. And we have a line reflection on what?
y equal to x.
y equal x. Correct. So becomes here 6, 6. Okay. This one. Y reflection on y equal x. You see, when you reflect, you use tracing paper like a mirror, like a mirror. Okay, reflection on y equal x. Shape A into B, A into D.
With enlargement.
Enlargement, of course. Enlargement, scale factor. What is the scale factor? How do you find the scale factor?
Image over
length of object.
Correct. And how do you find the image? Look, take this one,
1/2.
1 unit, and here 2 units.
So
So the scale factor
1/2.
1 over 2. Okay, done, easy. The center, how do you find the center, Muad? How do you find the center?
We intersect both points, make line.
We make lines here, make a lines from this point to go up. We don't know which one, correct? We don't know which one. And we do another line here, go up, and this one here, if you want to, and go up. So this one here, if you don't know what's going on here, these lines must be go through this point and this point, and this one, or this one and this one, and this one intersect the same point. So what is the center?
4, 6.
The center 4, 6. Yes, enlargement with scale factor 1 over 2 from the point 4, 6.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yes.
Done. Did you draw?
I am drawing.
If you missed any parts, you can find it on the when I post it in the YouTube. Okay. Done.
Okay.
Next. Shape A into D. Finish. Now, here. What do you do here?
Compound interest.
Okay. Why compound interest?
Because they say
Exponential.
Yeah.
Exponential.
Exponential. Very good. Very good. Very good. Exponential. Decrease. Okay. Decrease. Exponential and decrease. What is the formula? Be careful. Decrease. Decrease.
P
Okay.
open bracket 1 minus
Compound
R over
interest equal P.
P open bracket
Very good.
1 minus
Perfect. Minus.
R over.
Did you notice,
Yes,
students? He said minus. Okay. Some of you maybe will ask me, teacher, why minus? Why not plus? If increase, we do plus. Decrease, we go minus. This is very important. A lot of students in exam, they go and write 1 plus R over 100, which is wrong. Okay. We go 1 minus R over 100.
R of n.
Okay. Right. So now what's the B?
2,500.
Very good. 2,000, 250, not 2,500, 250,000 times 1 minus, what's the rate?
1.7.
1.7.
Wow, very good. Over 100, correct? To power years,
5.
5. And you find the answer at once. Okay, let me just explain a little thing here. Okay, this one can be written, the one here can be written, please pay attention. This one can be written as 100 over 100. Am I right?
Yeah.
So 100 over 100, 100 minus 1.7. I'm just trying to do this part. 100 minus 1.7. What do you get? 98.3. Correct? So 90.
Yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong. 98.3 over 100 to power 5.
5.
This one makes things easier. So 250,000 times 98.3 over 100 to power 5. The answer, show me the answer. What do you get the answer?
29460.
Perfect. 29. Say again.
229.
229. Correct. 229.460,
460.
which is 2.95. Can accept it.
Without point.
There's
No point.
No point. Okay.
Point.
500. Okay. Simple interest. We know the formula for simple interest. Simple interest PRT over 100. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys. If I ask you here, what is the interest? What is the interest if we add question here? Because he nearest 200. If I ask you here, what is the interest? Now, this is a compound interest.
Minus from
Perfect. This one minus
the original B.
250,000. Correct?
Yeah.
So how much they lose? Because decrease exponential. So becomes here 2 they lose 229,500 minus 250,000 to 50,000. You understand?
Yes.
And you get the answer.
So
The lose. If they ask you for this, but no need for this question. You understand?
yes.
Very good. Done. Can I clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here, write down the recurring decimal as fraction. You must show your work. You see, when they ask you must show your work, jump to 2, 3 marks, 4 marks. What do you do? What do you do?
We
put
put we separate them. Separate.
Let x equal. Let x equal.
0.20.
Say again.
0.26.
0.26.
266.
Yeah, and the 6 recurring. So this one here, 0.266666. So we need to write it as a fraction. Okay. So let this one, let x equal 0.2666. Okay, and so on. Okay, done. Let 10x equal what?
2.666.
10x equal what?
2.6.
2.66666. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you do now?
100x.
Maybe 2 over 10.
No need.
9x.
No need. No
9.
need. No need. Now this one, let me call it this one, number 1. And this one, let me call it equation number 2. So 2 minus 1. What do you get? 2 minus 1. Maad, what do you get? 10 minus 1. 10 minus 10x minus x. 9x. Correct? Equal what? 2.666. 2.666 minus 0.2666. Correct?
0.4.
Okay. What do you get? 9x.
2.3.
Next, 9x equal 2.4. Are you with me?
Yes.
Are you with me? Okay, very good. So I go here and divide by 9. Divide by 9. What do you get? X equal 2/4 over 9. Correct?
Teacher, I did it. Yes. I did
Equal.
it a different way.
Look at this here. 2/4 over 9, which is 2/4. Correct? Divide by 9. If you don't want to use a calculator, you can use a calculator, no problem. Okay. This one can be 24 over 10. Are you with me? Times 1 over 9, flip. And we get 24 over 90. Correct? Divide by 4. Divide by 4, common factor. What do you get?
4 over 15.
Can be
4
can
over
be
15.
can we divide by 6?
Yes.
Can we divide by 6? Yes. 24
over.
divided by 6,
4
4.
over 15.
90 divided by 6, 15. Okay, we need to check. We go and use a calculator. Use a calculator. Okay, and do it. 4 divide by 15. This one, is it 0.266666?
Yes.
Yes, we're right.
Teacher, I did a longer way.
Longer way. How?
Multiply by 100 and then
Can. If you get the same, did you get the same answer?
yes.
Well, sometimes 100, no need it because, just complicate. Yeah? Okay.
Yes.
But if you get the same answer, no problem. I'm not asking you to change your way.
Teacher, for we divide by 9 because we have 9x.
Say again.
We divide by 9. Is it because we have 9x?
Yes, because here, if you have like here 9x equal, let's say like here we have 40. How do you get x? We divide by 9.
Divide by 9.
Okay, look,
Yeah.
if we have like here flower x equal sun. How do you get x?
We
How do you
divide
get x?
by
Divide by
flower.
flower. Correct? Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I tell you here, like if you have like here 1 over 3x equal 2, what do? You divide. You can't divide. Divide by what?
Time by 3.
1 over 3. Because 1 over 3, divide by 1 over 3.
1.
1.
It's x.
Any number next to x, divide it. And 2, divide 1 over 3. 2 divide 1 over 3 becomes
6.
2 times 3 over 1. Correct?
Yeah.
is 6. So here 1/3 times 6, what do you get? 5. What do you get? You see, 6 divided by 3, 2. Good, you're asking. Done. The box of whiskers. Did you study this?
Yeah.
Okay. Write down the median. Write down
11.5.
this one. We call it the one who doesn't have any idea about it. Okay. How do you get 11.4, Muhammad?
11.5.
Yes,
From
Muhammad.
the arrow. From the arrow.
Show me. Show me. This one we call it, students, we call it box and whiskers plot. Okay. Right. So the median here, students. Correct. Thank you, Muhammad. Erase what you have done. The median represents this line always. So what's the value here? Looks like half of, because you see 2.5. So the median is 11.5. Please, if anyone doesn't understand, I will explain again. Okay, so 11.5. Okay, Muad, are you okay? Hello.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, Muad,
Yes.
are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the range. What's the definition of the range? The range is
Max.
the highest value minus
Minimum.
what?
The smaller one.
Lowest
The lowest
value.
value. What is the highest value?
14.
14
Minus 2.
minus 2. You get 12. Easy?
Yeah.
Okay, done. Super easy. Yeah. Now, interquartile range. Interquartile range. What is the interquartile range? We know. Maad, what is the definition of interquartile range?
Upper quartile minus lower quartile.
Upper quartile minus the lower quartile. Where's the upper quartile and where's the lower quartile? Guys, the upper quartile, this one. UQ. And this one here, LQ. Imagine in the graph, we used to find the upper quartile by 3/4 times the total number, and then we draw and we find the X value, correct? So
Yes.
the upper quartile, 13.5 minus
5.
5. 13.5 minus 5, and we get 8.5.
8.5.
You understand? So this one here represents what? To find what? The range, these edges. And this one for what?
Median.
Median. And this one for what?
Upper quarter.
To find the upper quartile and lower quartile, and to find the interquartile range. Okay?
Yes.
We call it whiskers, box and whiskers. If they give us this and they ask us to draw You should know how to draw. Maybe if I'm creating the questions, I'll ask you here the median here 6, and the range 8 or maybe 13, and the interquartile range I give it to you as upper quartile equal maybe 14, and the lower quartile, sorry, Q, and give it to you as 3. Draw. You start from where? Do you know start from where? You start from?
Is it from the range?
From the range. Very good. You go like this and go here. 13, correct? Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, 13. So you take maybe 1 and 4. Try 1 and 4. And the median, you do the box here. The box must be from 3 and 4. 3 and 14. This is 3 and 14. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
This is 14. Oh, maybe the range. So this is 14, cannot. So we have to make it, and just because I'm creating, I take here 15. 15, what do you think? 15 and
2.
2. Yes. And the median 6. I go 3 and 6. Of course, this one no need. This part. So look at this here. Now I give you the values. هذا اللي متوقعه. This is, I expect this year to have this question. Okay, they give you the values, the median, the range, and the upper quartile and lower quartile, and to draw the whiskers, the box and whisker plot diagram. Okay, so you should know how to draw it. You play with the values here. So look at this, the median 6. Of course, in the graph paper you draw, and the range 15 minus 2, 13, and the upper quartile 14. This is 14, and the lower quartile 3. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, I expect this question this year, 2021. Did you draw it? Okay. Number 15, I'll stop here for today. And we continue by tomorrow. Students, please take a note. Tomorrow at the same time. All students.
Okay, inshallah.
Tomorrow, if we finish this paper,